Okay guys, so this is how Florida's supposed to be. 83 and sunny. Nice weather out today. We're not supposed to be cold like it has been the last few weeks. But yeah, so today what I want to do is I want to paint this seat. Okay, this Fox body seat. I want to paint it black. So, and one of the reasons I want to do that is because I want to get the aluminum seat out of this car, you know, because we already have it all fit up and everything in the black car. But I want something to put back in here, okay, so that we can still drive it, we can still take it to the track, and it'll actually be a little more inconspicuous, if you know, shall I say, at the racetrack if it has a stock seat in it. You're technically not supposed to be running an aluminum seat like this without a brace back here. So by putting the stock seat back in it, it'll be a little more in compliant, you know. Like before I said, I haven't been running any quarter mile or anything like that. I've been doing a lot of shutdown passes. So yeah, that'll keep it legal. So, but yeah, let me go ahead and paint that seat. I'm gonna do it pretty much the same way as I painted all the other parts, the other plastic parts that I had for the black car. Pretty much gonna use the vinyl prep and wipe it off with microfiber, and then paint it with the Landau Black SEM. So I kind of taped off just the area where there was lettering, so I don't paint that, but everything else is black, so I don't care if that gets painted. So yeah, let me start doing that and we'll see what it looks like. This will be the first time I've painted anything cloth, so I don't know if it'll come out good or not. I don't really know. So the seat itself is in really good shape. There's one little tiny spot here, and then maybe like one little frayed spot there, but other than that, it's actually in pretty good condition. I just think the black will look better. There's a lot of black stuff in that car, so it'll all kind of tie in better. Okay, so I used the vinyl prep on the all the vinyl areas here, in the back, but I'm not gonna spray any of that on the cloth. I don't think you're supposed to do that. I'm not 100% sure of that, but you know, this is my first time, like I said, painting cloth. So let me start painting it black and we'll see what happens. So yeah, one thing I noticed about this stuff is that you pretty much can't put too much on. It doesn't run. It's like a dye. It kind of it evaporates really quick and just leaves behind the black. You know, it's kind of interesting paint. I'm not, you know, like normal paint. As much as I'm putting it on thick, it would run, and this isn't. So that's a good thing, I guess. So that was one whole can, and I didn't finish it. So I have some more. I have another can here. So if you're gonna paint your seats, you're gonna have to figure about a can and a half of this SEM, and this is 12 ounces. So I got this on Amazon if anybody's interested. But yeah, I got most of it done. Okay, everything looks really good. The only thing I didn't get done was the actual seating surface, so we'll use that can to finish up the top here, but everything else looks really good. I don't know if this is going to come through on camera or not, but this stuff is great. It doesn't run. It just comes out nice. I mean, and it looks like a factory color. All right, that's it. It looks really good. I'm actually really impressed the way that looks. So what I want to do, I'm going to go grab the other seat, the passenger seat, and we'll put them side by side and let's see the difference. Like do like a little side-by-side comparison of the black and the gray. Hopefully this comes out on camera, but you can tell, like, see the difference. This one here, this actually has a few more stains on it than the driver's side. So this is the passenger side here, and yeah, it's got a few more stains, but that one's going to look probably even better because of, well, not look better, but it'll hide all these little marks here. Like I can't get that off, and there's a lot of stains. I'm not sure why the passenger seat was worse, but yeah, I mean, I just like the way that's going to look. Okay, so I need to give a correction. It did not take more than one can per seat. The first can that I started with must have had some missing, because I was able to do this entire seat here, you know, just as many coats as I did on this one with just one can. And actually I used part of that can on this one. So yeah, so you only need one can per seat, and it covers it really good. I don't know if you guys can tell, but yeah, I'm highly impressed. So let's get the aluminum seat out of this car and we will install it. Let's see what it looks like. All we got to do is take out these 3 bolts and those 2 bolts. That's pretty much all that's holding it in. I built this kind of like bracket, okay, I don't know, maybe a year and a half ago. I have a video on it where I built the bracket to fit right on top of a stock seat mount, you know, for a Fox body, with the able, you know, move back and forth as well. So yeah, once I get that off, all I gotta do is unbolt the thing that I made and then bolt it right to the stock seat. So yeah, we're slowly but surely we'll turn this car back into a civilian. So all right, let me get to work. Okay, like I was saying, here's that bracket that I had made, okay, to mount this seat to. So it kind of contours here this way and this way to match the contours of the seat. So, and it was pretty cool because it allowed the adjustability still. I could move the seat back and forth, and you know, but again, it wasn't safe. You know, you got to have something supporting the back of the seat. So let me get this out of here. We'll unbolt all this stuff I made, and yeah, get the other seat in here, and we'll be done with this video. So just a kind of a quick little thing on how to paint your seats, and something I wanted to try. So yeah, it looks really good. All right, so we got it installed. It actually looks really good. I'm so happy the way it looks. Got a nice little spot for the fire extinguisher too. It kind of wedges in there nicely. So yeah, that's it. We're turning this thing back into a street car. So that's pretty much gonna do it for this video, guys. I got some burgers grilling, and we gotta watch the game too. So yeah, that's gonna do it for this video, guys. Go Bucks. All right, see y'all later.